came to play today. Running to her puppy friend, both were singing happily, dancing in the yard till end. Ball rolled under the little fence. Kitty tried with all her might. Puppy came to help her out. Together they made it right. One day heavy rain came down. Kitty slipped upon the ground. Puppy rushed and caught her fast. Fear was gone, she felt so sound. Kitty said, "Thank you, friend, for standing right by me." Puppy laughed and answered back, "We're one heart, you see." Later both sat down to rest on the wet and shiny grass. Sun came out and rainbow rose, a scene too bright to pass. Both then thought the very same, friendship is the best to share. We'll stay happy side by side with love forever there.